Okay, so as you can see, I am in this trade for Boom 500. And right now I'm in massive, massive profit. As you can see, I entered from there. I have been riding this. You can tell these are spikes. Okay, these are spikes. And my entry was somewhere there. The first entry was here, the second entry, the third, and then this is the last entry. I kept on scaling. I kept on scaling the trades so that because I understood what was happening, and also based on the same strategy that you guys have been learning from the course. So I totally understand um, the reason why I took this trade. And so I expect you to do the same. First of all, if I take you on a 1 hour time frame, here is what you're going to see. You will see that the market was coming, creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, just like that. And now you expect the market to keep, okay, dropping because it kept on creating lower lows and lower high. Now, one interesting thing that you're supposed to understand is that when the market for these synthetic indices, okay, keeps on dropping and creating lower lows and lower highs, that means it is in the downtrend. Okay, but now after the market did manage to break below this level here, that level there, that level there, which was acting as a level of supply and demand. And because of this, when the market came here, it created equal lows, okay, also known by many people as W, which is a sign that the market was going to be bullish. But eventually, when the market started dropping, they managed to break below this level, okay, this level of a demand. Hence, it was a break of market structure and the market came down. So if you look here, you will discover that before these, okay, before all this, the market kept dropping, dropping, dropping with ticks. Okay, so when the market reached here, now, many people, you may ask me the question that how did I know that the market was going to continue rising? Let me show you with this annotation. First of all, when the market came here, it created this small consolidation on a 15-minute time frame. Then it pushed up. Again, it came. Again, it pushed up. Then the market dropped again. Again, it tried. So my entry, the first entry was here on this one. Then the second entry I entered here on this candle. Why and how did I know? Usually what happens when the market has been in a certain trend, especially either down or uptrend. In this case, we are talking about this uptrend. All right, that's what we are talking about here. So when the market was in an uptrend, in a downtrend, then all of a sudden it started creating something like this, which is consolidation. Just know that the momentum for creating lower lows, excuse me, for creating lower lows and lower highs was slowly reducing. Okay. Then after that, what you are seeing is that after this consolidation, the market now started issuing some spike. The first spike reached here, the market came down. Now, let me show you now this. What made me now to enter? Okay, I didn't enter here. I entered the first trade here, the first position, and then more other followed here. Now, look at this. When the market created a spike, reached here, remember, these guys left what we call a bullish order block right there, which is that black candle or bearish candle. This one, let me show you. Look at the screen there. This one, that black candle there. Okay, that is what the market left. Okay, for us. So the market spiked. Now look at this again. when the market made the retracement back like this, already there was that bullish order block right there. Okay, there was that bullish order block right there. And then again, when the market came, okay, I entered the first trade there, and then more followed. Why? Because now after the market sensed that there was this order block, all right, the second order block the market created was this one, okay, that one, which issued a move up there and then made the retracement down there. Okay, so this order block right there, let me show you, this order block right there, this order block here, this order block made the market to end and start rising from there. As a result, whenever an order block, a powerful order block is created, always expect the market to break the structure. So this order block rose the market, reaching there by breaking that previous high. Again, the market created another bullish order block, this order block, which made the market to rise by breaking that previous high. And then it is still creating more highs there, right? So we used the order blocks to determine our entry point right there, because we understand exactly what the market is doing. As a result, we take that to our advantage, okay? And moreover, you cannot trade these things. The first thing, all right, that I'm going to do is that one thing, let me close my trades, and then I will explain later as to why, the reason why I am closing my trades. Okay, there I have closed all my trades. Why? Number one, the reason is simple. We have reached at the level powerful enough for the market where it can start making a retracement, because this red horizontal line here is the previous line which the market broke and was previously acting as a level of demand. Look here, this same level, and that is where the market is approaching. Number two, it is the same level with this bearish order block right there. Okay, so we are in a zone where we are supposed to close the trade. Right now, where boom 500 has reached, I can't keep buying anymore, no, but I can wait, and I should wait for it to create a retracement, because when it does, it is going to be met with the resistance of a bullish order block right there, which will start creating more spikes to push the market up. Okay, and that is it, guys. This is another example from the lessons that you have been learning all along, and they are simple as that. You can understand them, they are easily, and they are practical, and I expect each and every one of us to understand this concept. Look at this, the market just spiked as we are talking. Okay, and what we should expect the market to reach, okay, and to respect this level, okay, because there is a bearish order block. Okay, there is a bearish order block right there, okay, this level, and also this level there. That is a bearish order block which is there. So the market is trying to start creating a consolidation within that bearish order block. So thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate, and if you have any question, let me know.